welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something super important, law and justice in the digital age. Talking about law and justice sector of India. Law and justice form the backbone of a democracy, ensures equal access to justice, is essential for a fair society. The government of India has introduced various schemes and technology platforms to make the justice system more accessible, transparent and efficient. Importance of law and justice sector ensures rule of law, protects fundamental rights, provides access to legal aid for the poor, promotes transparency, accountability in judicial processes. India. And guess what? Artificial intelligence is a big part of it. The e-Court Services app. The e-Court Services app is an initiative by the Indian government under the Digital India program. It is designed to make the judicial system more accessible, faster and transparent. With just a few taps, you can track case status, check court orders and judgments, view case lists, find lawyer details, know about court hearings, all from your phone. Just a one click. Now, let's talk about the tech magic behind it. Artificial intelligence. Here how AI is playing a game-changing role. Now the first one is case prediction and prioritism. AI analyzes pending cases and helps courts prioritize older and more urgent cases. The second one is natural language processing, which is NLP. AI reads and understands legal language to short and summarize case details. Third one is chat bots and virtual assistants, in which some portals are using AI-powered bots to help citizens to get answers 24/7. The fourth one is translation and accessibility. AI tools can now translate legal documents into regional languages, making justice accessible to more peoples. So, what is the real world impact? A lot, actually. The first one is no more long queues at court counters. All information is digitally available. Second one is transparency. People can directly check the status of their case, no middleman is involved. Third one is time saving. Lawyers save hours every week. The fourth one is accessibility. Even people in rural areas can use the app in their own language. The fifth one is empowerment. Knowledge is power and now people have legal information at their fingertips. Technology like AI is making justice faster, smarter and more accessible. The e-Court Services app is just one step, but it is a big one in the right direction. If you haven't already downloaded the app, explore it and share this with someone who might need it. And let me know in the comments what's one thing you did love to see improved in our legal system. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such informative content. See you in the next one.